Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, God. Come on. Come on. What's going on, everyone? Another nice day. I'm on my way to Delaware Water Gap. I haven't fished there in a long time. I think the last time I was there fishing was about 15 years ago from the banks. But this time I got my kayak with me. Exciting. I'm excited. It's been raining for a few days. I hope the water's not flowing. It's not a little rough. So let's see. Let's go take a look. Alright, everyone. I'm on the Delaware River. Took me about 15-20 minutes to set up everything. So I'm going upstream. There's an island over there. So I want to try and just go there and see if I can just anchor down there and just take it from there. It's gonna take me a while to get there, but we're going. The river's really calm, by the way. The water is really nice and clear over here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. So with this kayak I have to be really careful about the rocks. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish, nice fish. He's probably gone by now. Wow, that was a good fish. I just have to find a good spot. Got something. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh man. Nice smallmouth. Now once again I keep getting confused with a smallmouth and a rock bass. So it's my first fish. I just want to take a picture. No, this is a smallmouth. Awesome. Look at this. Just a big rock over here. I mean, it's just shallow. That's what it is. Nice smallmouth. Let me put my anchor down real quick. Nice. Come on, come on. Beautiful. Second one of the day. Yeah, let me go before I waste time going back. Holy cow. Maybe this little flow is because of the rain that we had. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's best we head out of here and maybe go on that side somewhere. Yeah, this is crazy. Let me go towards the end actually. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, I gotta make sure I don't paddle sideways. Yeah, I gotta make sure I don't paddle sideways. Current is too strong. And if I can get around and go that side, I'll be okay. Oh, actually, I'll be perfectly fine right up there, if I can make it. All right, I can't. I don't think I can. It's too strong, guys. It's too strong. I gotta be very careful. But if I can get through right here, I'll be fine. Come on. Oh. Whew. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, this is not a good idea though. Oh my God. That was insane. That was insane. But I do want to go in there though, hopefully. Is this a good idea? I don't think so. Oh, no, it's not. It's not a good idea. Alright, but I can get off. That's not a problem. Whew. Wow, this feels good. This feels good. I can keep walking up that side actually. Oh God. Alright, I'm turning back, guys. I've turned back. I'm gonna go in between one of the kind of splits between the river. So I was on the other side. Now I'm just floating back this side. Hopefully I can catch something here though. It's not really deep. Oh, got something. There you go. There you go. Nice, nice. Got him. Ooh, got you. Ah, God. Got him. Alright, that's my third one so far. And alright, so with that being said, let's oh, come on. No, I think I need to guide this. I need to guide it. Yep. A little deeper over here. Maybe a nice largemouth. I mean, sorry, a big smallmouth. That's what I meant. That would make my day. Yeah, it is a little deeper there. Got something. Ooh, nice. Did I hook it bad? Alright, this might be a little bigger. Alright. Wow, Oh, a little bigger, yes. It's awesome. Third one of the day. You know what? Let's not spook it. Let's paddle slowly. Let's turn around. Yep, let's turn around and drop my anchor. Like I said, it was a little bit deeper over there. Got him, got him. Oh, nice. Another small one though. It's not really a big one, not the one that we're looking for. Oh, they fight pretty hard. Wow. Alright. Get away. Nice one. Yeah, alright. I guess they took that again. Alright everyone, I think it's time to wrap it up. Almost reaching the parking lot. Did good today. Caught a few smallmouths. We'll come back again. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next weekend. Definitely maybe before summer. Well, summer is officially ended, but before it starts getting cold. So, yep. That's it for today. I'll see you guys next time.